Ready for instant happiness? At Petland OKC and Tulsa, love looks like tiny paws racing around, big wiggles, and the happiest little hops. You'll find goofy little Zoomies, playful tugs, and sweet snuggles. Every pup ready to make you smile. Find the playful little friend who fits your family perfectly. Come visit Petland OKC and Tulsa today and let the tail wags begin.